Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. We are from group 2. Today we will present about economies of rural urban migration. Before we start our present, let's us introduce our group. Well, starting with me, my name is Safira Astika and my student number is 205 60410002. And next,
My name is Alvin Kayuanda Pratama Putra. My student number is 2056041009.
My name is Abil Munawar. My student number is 2056041012.
My name is Kaisar. My student number 2046041024.
Background. In the past century, many developing countries have experienced rapid economic development, which is usually associated with a process of structural transformation and urbanization. Rural-urban migration, shifting the labor force from less productive agricultural sector to more productive industrial sector in city, play an important role in the growth process and thus has draw economists' attention. For instance, it is recognized that one of the important sources of China growth mirrors is rural-urban migration. Since the 1990s, there has been rapid growth in rural-urban migration in China, with the number of rural migrants increasing by more than 100 million to 145 million. Since it is well understood that rural-urban migration in China is closely related to the hukou system. We begin with a brief description of it.
okay, first of all, the purpose of the hukou system.
The purpose of the hukou system. China implemented the unique hukou regulation system in 1958 in order to solve the serious problem of rural labor migration to city in the early 1950s. The power of the hukou system in regulating migration came not only from the system itself, but also from its integration with social and economic control on, for example, food ration, job distribution, education, and social benefit. Therefore, it was difficult to stay outside the place of one hukou registration before China economic reform.
The second one is clarification of the hukou system.
A citizen Hoku was classified into parts. Hoku Souzaidi, the place of Hoku registration, and Hoku Laibi, the type or status of Hoku registration. Hoku Souzaidi was a person presumed regular resident. Everyone was required to register in only one place of resident. Hoku Laibi refer to agricultural and non-agricultural Hoku. Hoku registration place and status matter because it determine, for example, access to good job, grant rating, education for children, health benefit, and the opportunity to purchase a house. A citizen with agricultural Hoku status would lose the right of land rental and the right of inheriting the land that his or her parent rented. And next,
The third, work-based migration.
Migration is an important post-collapse demographic change. The Demographic Dividend Asian Development Bank 2011 described how demographic change can have a profound and positive impact on economic growth. When a country experiences a decline in mortality and fertility rate, its share of the working age population research and answer per capita income grow in ratios. China's might have experienced history lingers law of internal migration in the world since the barrier on migration from rural to urban areas were gradually removed in the late 1970s and early 1980s. Rural people have been allowed to move freely between cities and their homes, but most of them have only circular migration because the Hukou system denies them permanent urban residence right and associated social benefit. The number of permanent migrants remain rather stable, whereas temporary migrants have continued to move into cities since the 1980s, Chen 2001, Chen and Buckingham 2008. The possible reason for the lack of studies on the permanent migration decision made by rural migrant China might include: 1. The number of permanent migrants from rural areas with the change in Hukou status is few due to the strike contrast imposes the Hukou system, and 2. It is difficult to obtain survey data concerning permanent migrants.
The fourth, education-based migration.
Education-based migration, the higher education system and its reform to obtain admission to university or college. Students in China have to take the national entrance examination or Gaokao. The system of Gaokao was established at the beginning of the system of Gaokao was established at the beginning of the 900. The system of Gaokao was established at the beginning of the 915, it was abolished for several years during the Culture Revolution. Was then restored in 1977 as the success. Zhao Sheng entering college through Gaokao was one of the official channel for rural students to obtain urban hukou because of the scarcity of education. Success, the acceptance rates were very low, especially in the 90s. Success, the acceptance rate were very low, especially in the 1990. Students who passed Gaokao enjoy lots of benefit. First of all, college tuition was almost free before 1919. Second, a college freshman could choose to move his Hoku registration place to high school. His Hoku status would become non-agricultural as well. Third, during the period before 1000 graduation and still keep the non-agricultural status in the period when the policy of government job assessment was abolished. Job were not guardian. A guardian could move his Hoku registration to the working unit temporarily, but put it to the collective joint household of personal exchange center or move it back to his hometown, or will still active non-agricultural status. Thus, under China Hoku system, entering college implied upward mobility in the.
And the last, conclusion. Rural-urban migration, shifting the labor force from the less productive agricultural sector to the more productive industrial sector in the cities, played an important role in the growth process and thus attracted the attention of economists. For example, it recognized that one of important sources of the China growth miracle was rural-urban migration. Hukou labor refers to the both agricultural and non-agricultural hukou. The place and the status of hukou registration are important because they determine, for example, access to good jobs, grant returns, education for children, health benefits, and the opportunity to buy a house. Thank you for attention. May all those we have shared be beneficial for all of us.